Buka kanjalo itreka yethu, buka igarage. Buka kunjani, buka manje awukazosho ukusebenza. Kodwa saphekisa amagquza strong. Buka isitoro phakathi phuma amanzi. Yes. Really more. Money. Chopa ne phakile kae? Mo toilet, wa bona toilet e. Yona ya grege. Yeah, ne chopa ne phakile. Bona no. Hape toilet la ka mtlasa metsi mo. Ka mtlasa metsi. Yeah. Ne, mebo. Bana metsi. Ne ra di bunda. Bana le bunda. Akafakuwani mane yana bona laba ba nga namela roof Golden Walk. Legal is full of water. Wat is toe? Dat kan niet hier niet. Alam mo kung kalamba sa mga ni. Dahil sila ko kuning na sa nagimeti. Bona pak. Kisimpi ay sabana eka marane. Sir. Kanang bagus fakta. Bon. Wala kang face. Pero okay. Listening.
Ja, klam op, pap. Yo. Yeah, we've got lots of people trapped in the shacks, people standing still. We need a lot of people to come and assist us. The river is flowing a lot. Lots of people are trapped, so yeah. Any assistance, any people that come and help, please, it's welcome.
Yeah, breakdown na Romulat. Na Romulat breakdown. Wait, yeah. Agizi di driver sili molo kar di batla something.
Ene sa na dai. Put safer spaces. That commitment is one that stands. This is an emergency that it always has been, and that we've always known as an emergency. I want to reassure the flood victims once more today that they need to know that we as the city are committed to fixing these problems and making sure that they are put in safer spaces. Our people cannot live like this. People's lives are worth more than our bickering as politicians. And therefore, I want to say to local politicians, local leaders, let us find each other and make sure that we put the lives of our people first and safeguard their livelihoods as we safeguard lives.